Hello, you're tuned to the Alvin Art channel. Welcome to my travel sketch series. We are in India. Check out the airport malls logo by the way. It's time to catch up with friends in Pune, but first a pit stop to get some local produce. So these guys are local farmers from around the farming area. So the fruit here is just amazingly sweet and of course very affordable. I'm in an area called Rahatani and it's already evening time, so let's head out to sample some street food. What is it called?
Vada pav.
So what's inside this vada pav? Of course there's this bun with this green chili sauce, and the fried stuff in there is like a potato mash with vegetables. It's so good, really. By the way, welcome to Pune. The locals call this place Pune.
Yeah.
And we're in India.
So you can see in India, they are making the samosa here. It's a very local snack food from India.
This one's called pani puri or water balls.
So it's one of the most famous Indian snacks.
Yeah.
Pani puri. You have to just eat in one go.
So this is the dry version. That was the wet one that you saw earlier on, and it ends with the dry one.
Yeah.
A little down the street is a temporary food bazaar center. I'm here with my former schoolmate and he's taking me around to explore Pune. He's from Patna and we're about to try some food from there.
The original tea from India.
Next, we head to Lions Point at Lonavala, a mountain range between Pune and Mumbai. This is called Lions Point, but look at this. It's like the Grand Canyon, only that no one's really marketing or commercializing this. Look at that. A split second when my mind wandered off, this happened. My water container for watercolours got stolen. That's the end of my watercolor journey here in India. They're just grabbing stuff from my watercolor kit. That's wet wipes. You're not gonna find anything yummy, I'm sorry folks. Okay, this town is popular for their chicky sweet. Everywhere, all around, everyone's selling chicky. Let's go try some.
Sesame seed.
Yeah. Oh, very familiar tasting snacks. It's sesame with jaggery, a local kind of cane sugar. And this stall has variations of this. Wow. Thank you, Uncle.
This is mango.
Mango. Guess I found my water container replacement. And just a moment of wandering on the expressway led to an accident. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Ashish's brother, Ruskin, came to pick us up and we headed back to his place for a meal. It's been a while since I saw all of them, the entire family, so it was a good time for a quick catch up and reunion. Hey guys, Alvin Mark here. What's the best thing you can do while on an auto? If you're a sketcher, sketch it! Of course, the ride would be bumpy, but I decided to try it anyways. Not too shabby of a sketch, eh? Today we're visiting a temple within a sanctuary itself, like a shopping area. All these shops here, is just selling religious items or articles or
Articles relating to the practice of religion.
How do you get that done?
In
Is it?
Spain?
I met Subhash at the Tulsi Bagh temple. Tulsi is basil in Hindi and Bagh is garden. So this plot of land was once a garden filled with basil. Try anyone? Thankful. The temple owner, who is friends with Subhash, decided to come and see me sketch and offered some chai. Later that evening, we went to meet Ravi Gadre for dinner. It's always a touch and go at these sketching events and conventions, and it takes trips like these to really get to know the sketchers. I am so glad I'm here. Ravi spent his time showing me his award-winning architectural buildings. What an evening! These are sketches by Ravi, and he's gonna be producing a book that's 600 pages worth of sketches. That's amazing, yeah.
The best chains of restaurant for snack food.
Okay, and what are we eating today?
Chole bhature.
Such exquisite food and sweets for a fast food chain. Before I left the restaurant, I chanced on this ad and saw that they had just opened a new outlet and decided to check that one out. We are at the back side of the Pune train station, but we're not riding a train today, even though I have that. That's my painting gear. We're gonna go cafe sketching over at Hildi Ram. Hildi means turmeric, and Ram is of course referring to the god. And this was just open about 3 to 4 months ago. Let's go and check it out. So over here looks like takeout. Look at the food. That's like my favorite thing. Table for one.
Namaste, welcome.
Namaste. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Check it out. This is the back end of the carriage. It's a kitchen. Hello.
And this is one Raj kitchen.
Thank you. Hey everyone, what's up? This is Alvin. We're just right in front of an auto stop or depot. Yeah, these are called autos here in India. And you know that from my Bangkok videos, these are called tuk-tuks. Thank you.
Thank you, welcome. Okay, sir.
What your name?
Alvin.
Aladdin.
Aladdin. You are
Sagar.
from Muslim?
Keep your hands here. Keep your hands here. Yeah, come.
I thought the flowers were for me. Man, I hope you enjoyed that painting. Had to leave. I'm trying to beat the traffic, and what better way to travel here in India than in an auto? Here we go. Ashish introduced me to a local handi mutton place from Champaran. Handi means earthenware pot, as the meat is cooked in there for hours until it's tender. After painting this local fruit seller, I decided to sketch more street vendors, so I went hunting for them. When at McDonald's, you've got to try the masala burger, for sure. It's my last day here in India. Time to leave. One more painting of this beautiful temple before I go. It's a Vishnu temple that I often pass during my stay here. This was my first immersion trip to India, and the verdict, I simply love it. The people, the food, the colors. Thank you for a wonderful experience. I will definitely come back to visit another region of this rich and diverse country. Thank you for watching, everyone. Continue to stay safe and be creative. Until the next episode, you all, ciao ciao.